Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on KuCoin. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, and I would also like to show you this rising wedge pattern that has been formed on a daily time frame chart. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for KuCoin that I shared on 16th of March and which is still in play. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for KuCoin that I shared on 16th of March 2023 with my members, and that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal bat move. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price line to drop more down for the completion of this leg, and once it will be entered here, then we can expect the next price reversal to the upside from here. And by the way, this pattern was getting formed on the daily time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line has dropped very close to this buying zone. You can see it was very close to complete this fine leg, but geared up. And I'm expecting that soon it will enter here for the next price reversal, a massive price reversal from here. Now, if we take a look at the previous idea that I shared, this one, that was another harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that was formed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair, and I shared this idea on 13th of Feb 2023 with my members. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very massive reversal. This was, by the way, more than 90% pump on this daily time frame chart. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal cipher move in the month of March 2022, and this was also formed with Bitcoin pair on the 12-hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that we had another very nice price reversal, and this was, by the way, more than 26% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Now, let me to take you here on the weekly time frame chart, and here we can see that KuCoin has already broken out a very, very big falling wedge pattern in the month of January 2023. And if I place this measurement tool from this low of November up till this high of Feb 2023, then you can see it rallied more than 161%, but got rejected by this very long-term resistance of $13. Right now we are slightly moving above than this resistance of $13. And if we take a look at the previous history of this support and resistance level, then you can see that previously it was working as a support here back in December 2020, and as a resistance here in the month of June 2020, as a resistance here, and resistance here, and almost as a support here as well. And also it was working as a support here back in September 2017 as well. And the next key support, in case of rejection by this resistance, the long-term key support will be here at $7.90. And you can see for the past several weeks or months, it has been working as a very strong support here and resistance here as well. Now, if we take a look at the smaller time frame chart, then here on the daily time frame chart, KuCoin has formed this rising channel, and at the same time, you can see it is struggling. It was struggling on the daily time frame chart to break out this resistance of $13. Now we are moving above this resistance and retesting the previous resistance as a support. And at the same time, we also had another resistance that is a downtrend line resistance, and this was also at the same time the formation of a symmetrical triangle. While it was moving inside this rising wedge, it also formed this symmetrical triangle as well and broke out the resistance of the triangle, and now retesting the previous resistance of the triangle as a support, and also this previous resistance of $13, a very long-term resistance as a support as well. Therefore, now there is a probability that after this retest, a successful retest, the price line may continue its move to the upside. And now if we take a look at the target for this triangle after this breakout, the expected target can be here. That will be approximately at $17.57, and in that situation it can also break out this resistance of the rising wedge pattern as well. And in case of breaking out this rising wedge pattern, the next target for the breakout will be here. That will be approximately at $23.61. Now, if we take a look at the target for this huge breakout that has already happened on the weekly time frame chart from this falling wedge pattern, then the target for this breakout is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately between $135 to $150. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.